What's up, my brother? Not much. You ready to do this? I was born ready, man. Are you ready, sweetie? I'm ready. Okay, hey, Boozhoo! And welcome back to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo, and over here is the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo ni weenie mushain. Say hello, my sweetheart. Hey, everybody! What's going on? And over here, the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons. Say hello, my brother. Hey, hello, everyone. Welcome to the show. And, and I'm Nanaboozhoo. And, normally this is a morning podcast. Is it still morning? Well, we got about 20 minutes until it's going to be afternoon. Yeah. I don't know. I couldn't get started on time today. I know, what's wrong with us? I don't know. I had a little bit of the Monday blahs. Couldn't get motivated. It's a real problem. I know, huh? But we're here now. So I want to say, Boozhoo. Oh, and here's Zagame right away just to rub our faces in it. Look, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm late this time. Yes, you want a gold star? Let's give a big old gold star for Zagame. Because Zagame was here first. Yeah. And Zagate. Boozhoo Zagate. Welcome back to the show. Can we give a silver star for Zagate? You got it. Oh, and cousin Missy. Boozhoo, good morning, cuz. Third place gets Jack. You don't get Jack. Speaking of jackrabbits, what's that? Oh, I saw our big hunter neighbor come home with his kill yesterday. What? That guy across the street, he's got a rifle and a buddy with a big pickup. Yeah. And I saw his buddy drop him off after a hunting trip yesterday. And this big old $70, I don't know how much those $70,000 Silverado, whatever, pickup. And the guy climbs out and he's wearing all orange. And he's got his, nylon case, guitar, gun, whatever. And then he grabs in the back of the pickup there. And what's he pull out? One rabbit. Yeah, really? Yeah. I'm thinking, how much did that rifle cost you, man? And your little outfit, your little hunting outfit. Oh, I'm wearing orange so nobody accidentally shoots me while I'm shooting rabbits. Grown man. And then I thought, okay, well, now you got to clean that thing. Do you know how to clean a rabbit? Did you learn that before you bought the enormous rifle, that 410 or whatever you use to kill your rabbit? It's like, you could come over here. We got rabbits living underneath a shed. Yeah, no kidding. You feed them. Yeah. Got a whole family of rabbits living on my property. My property. I guess our property. Michael's rented property. It's like a little hobby farm around here, what with Bagheera and the family of rabbits. Anyway, so I kind of judged him. I was like, oh, look, the great white hunter has returned with his rabbit he killed. And I'm like, you better not just throw that whole rabbit away in that dumpster I see right behind your house. You know, when a big city hunter goes out and kills a rabbit. You know, I mean, you can coax them up to your hand with a piece of spinach. You know, hunting rabbits is kind of like hunting cats. Yeah. You know, I don't have my, I mean, I've done it myself. Yeah. When I was a kid, you know, when I was a preteen, I hunted rabbits. Okay. Sue me. I killed a lot of rabbits in my day. I'm not proud of it. I'm not ashamed of it. It's just what I did when I was a kid. And that was that. I quit hunting after it. I had one big hunting trip where I committed genocide against the Wabazoog. And, whatever. But neighbor Jim, I don't know. I'm sure he's vaccinated. What does that have to do with anything? I don't know. It kind of annoyed me. I'm probably being racist. You know what else annoys me? What's that? Pope Francis. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. How to say, just shut up, Pope Francis. Kish koe. A lot of people think shut up is bizan. Because that's what our grandmothers say to us. Come on, you guys, bizan. I'm trying to watch my shows. But bizan actually means be quiet. It almost means peace, you know. It's like, oh, be still, be quiet. But when you want to tell someone to stop talking, you have to say, Gish koe. Gish koe. Shut up, Pope Francis. You wrinkled up old prune. You're going to make a lot of Catholics angry. I don't care. I'm not part of their team. Hey, Pope Francis. Well, this is what annoyed me. So the news comes out. Today on current events, His Holiness Father Pope, whatever that means, Francis, in addition to wearing robes and red shoes as part of his job, verdict's still out whether or not he wears undergarments. Nobody knows. And he likes to wear the big hat, sort of a phallic symbol. He wears a big dunce cap and a staff, a bejeweled staff, with a picture of my Lord, dead on a cross. Hey, Pope, when Jesus comes back, don't you suppose the last thing he's going to want to see is another cross? I mean, come on. But Pope Francis comes out and he's got to weigh in on YouTube and Facebook censorship. And he says, in the name of God, please, he wants, how do you put it? Facebook and YouTube should crack down on hate speech and conspiracy theories. I'm like, okay. Who gets to define what's hate speech? Pope, you dummy. Is this going to be hate speech? I can't call the Pope a dummy and tell him to shut up? Why not? Is that hate speech? What is hate speech? Have we really come to a definition of that yet? Right away it goes to race. Okay, I'm not going to say a thing about your dirty Italian race. About your greasy heritage, all right? Is he Italian? I don't even know. Whatever, Francis. That's a girl's name, by the way. Francis? Are you transgendered? Apparently, I hear you approve of all that, too. He's like the woke Pope. Oh, look at me. I'm Pope Francis. I'm cool with the gays. Yeah, I bet you are. I don't know, man. So, I would like to, today's Ojibwe phrase, Gish goe. Stop making vocal sounds, Pope Francis. And then Pope Francis is just, you can say Pope Francis. I don't know if there's an Ojibwe word for Pope. Oh, he's a holy man. He's a holy man. No, he's not. I mean, not any more holy than we all are. And I don't think any of us are. You're pretty close. Ah, sweetie. I mean, you're like a Snow White, pure as a driven snow in my eyes. Ah, sweetie. But the rest of you is a bunch of sinners. That's all I can say. Let's see what the Boozhoo crew has to say. Let's see if Missy's going to be mad. Hey, don't say that about my Pope. I like my Pope. Come on, Missy. Come get me. Yeah? Yeah? Is Missy Catholic? I don't know. I think Missy's probably a little of everything. You think she's like biculturally spiritual? Yeah. I think she's traditional and a little Catholic and a little atheist. I don't know. It's weird that I don't know. But today, shut up, Pope. Hey, Joseph is here. Boozhoo, Joe. Joseph's here, sweetie. Well, hi, Joseph. And Aiden White. Oh, Boozhoo, Aiden. Welcome to the show. Aiden's here, baby. Well, hi, Aiden. Welcome to the show. Saga May says, I'm a recovering Catholic. Just don't listen to them. Aiden's still in recovery. Aiden had to go, or Zagame is a recovering Catholic. Zagame had to go to Catholics Anonymous. 12-step program. I'm a recovering New Ager, I think. Yeah. Like I used to be into like every New Age thing. I didn't even know, that's just what a sucker I was. Oh, what's this? Crystals? Yeah, that adds up. Oh, what's this? The Law of Attraction? Yeah, let me read this book 3 times. Well, it was just on the back of the toilet for like a year. I know. Oh, the Law of Attraction. Gonna make me what do they call that when you make the big board? Oh yeah, like your dream board or something. Yeah. The Law of Attraction. Law of Attraction was this idea that you could whatever is in your life, you attract it. And The Secret, a book written by whoever, interviewed all these, famous people and said, hey, what's the secret? How come you're so awesome? And you know what my secret is? I envisioned it before it happened. I said to myself, oh, Oprah, how will I ever become rich and famous? And I pictured, wouldn't it be cool to be in a movie and then have a talk show and then whatever? And sure enough, I attracted it into my life. And so, if you got a crappy job and, you're a fat wife, you attracted that with your negative thinking. So the secret, you just got to start thinking positive. And it will attract, all your dreams will come true. That's the Law of Attraction in a nutshell. We could talk details for all week. But I'm a little embarrassed to admit I bought it hook, line, and sinker. Did you ever make one of those dream boards? Not really. But I did draw a thing in my sketchbook. Yeah. Did you put like a new car and like a model wife? No. But I did write that I wanted $3,000 in my checking account. Really? Yep. I was trying to attract $3,000 in my checking account after all the bills. Did it ever happen? It actually did for a short time. And then I, spent up that money. But in a way, it kind of worked. I made a plan. I didn't know to attract this show into our lives, But my dream was to not have a job that I hate. I wanted to be able to have a Monday where I went, to heck with it. I'm going back to bed. Go grab the cat, curl back up. Watch South Park. All right, you want to know the truth? Yeah. I could have come on at 8. I looked at it and went, I wonder what the Boozhoo crew's doing. And, you know what? I wonder if they would tune in if we came on later on. I guess we'll find out today. That's what I said. Yeah. So, you're no better. I know. I can't say anything. But yeah, so Law of Attraction. But the problem with the Law of Attraction, so they say, all your dreams are just waiting for you in a vortex. And you go, what's a vortex? I don't know, this magical thing. You just gotta pull it out, But then, what happens when everybody, they go like, well, what about the Titanic? Everyone on that ship was all rich people, all good food, paid big money, and the Titanic was supposed to be the safest boat ever made. Titanic's probably a hoax too, for that matter, but in theory, how did the people aboard the Titanic attract that they would sink before getting? Yeah, that's probably a total hoax, isn't it? The Titanic? Well, did Spielberg make a movie out of it? Was that Spielberg that made the stupid, what's his name? Leonardo DiCaprio? Yeah, Leonardo DiCaprio movie. Probably, it feels like a Spielberg movie. If Spielberg made it, it's probably propaganda. Yeah, no kidding. Yeah. You have to assume any historical event that Hollywood makes a movie about is probably fake history. It probably never happened. And, this is what the Pope wants to crack down on. Hate speech that questions the historical narratives. Oh, that's dangerous disinformation. Like, I didn't pull up a video of this, but remember Stephen Hawking's? The guy in the wheelchair? Yeah. The universe is a billion, whatever. Mr. C&C. The story of Stephen Hawking, who was the smartest man in the world, is that he got ALS and it ruined his body. He couldn't even speak. Still alive with ALS for 40, 50 years. Longer than the average person. But he was super smart, and he proved all this stuff about outer space, which is completely fake. But also, the character of Stephen Hawking is completely fake. And the thing is, when they started that hoax, they used to have a guy just translate for him. Before he had the CNC magical computer voice that somehow his one barely moving finger could manipulate, and he could speak with a robot voice. That's so stupid. I can't believe we believed it. Well, before that, it looked just like Chewbacca and Han Solo talking, where Stephen Hawking would be like, and then his friend would say, he's saying the universe is billions and billions of years older than we used to think. What's that, Stephen? He would like to thank everybody coming today, and would appreciate if there would be no more video cameras today. And it was so obviously stupid. Like, what? No. That guy can't understand him better than we can. He's not saying that. This is obviously stupid, fake. You guys are playing a hoax. I call BS. But His Holiness, the father of what? Oh, I'm the boss of the Catholics. I presume to be kind of the boss of all Christians. Even though every Protestant is, quietly disrespecting him on the daily. But shut up, Pope. You want them to crack down on us talking about conspiracy theories because a lot of it goes right up to you. I have a theory that people conspire. Most of us generally assume that if we had to say, if we're being completely honest, if we believed you, Pope Francis, have ever had anything to do with either sexually abusing a child, or at least covering up the crimes of sexual abuse. I think most people, Catholics included, will go, well, yeah, I mean, if he's the Pope, he's probably had something to do with that. That's what we kind of think of you. That's a conspiracy theory. Oh, really? That's hate speech. How dare you? How dare you suggest that to me? Hey, it's just a theory I have. I don't know. Is it a hate speech to tell you to shut up? Where do I cross that line where it becomes hate speech? I don't know. You know, I didn't call him. Can you call people stuff? If it's an opinion, you know, I think you're a weirdo. Well, that's a hate word, I guess. I mean, it's not calling him a minor attracted person. Would that be a hate speech? To say, I wonder, I think you might be one of these people who are minorly attracted people. I can't believe there's a politically correct way of referring to people like that. But, I don't know, the new alphabet. LGBTQ plus 2S MAP. Let's see, what's it? Lesbian, gay, trans, lesbian, gay, bi. You know, my childhood is mostly just those three. LGB. You know, everyone getting along at the YMCA, the LGB. You know, lesbian, gay, bi. Girls are like girls, boys are like boys, and guys and girls who like both. Then the T's, the trans. Used to be called the transvestites. Whatever happened to that? I don't know. Are there still transvestites, or are they all transgendered? I don't know. I mean, who's in charge of making up these new terms? But anyway, and the T's came along. Transgender. So you got LGBT, and then Q is both questioning. I wonder if I want to do that to myself, you know. Or queer. And queer is a big, nondescript, you know. And that's also like the N-word. You know, if you are queer, you can use the term queer. If you're straight and you go, you know, excuse me, school board, is the new kindergarten teacher a queer? You know, I get mad at you. You know, it's like, is that a slur or not? I don't know. Queer and questioning. LGBTQ plus, and that leaves anybody who's like, well, you forgot about us. The gender fluid. Hour by hour, we swing back and forth. It's like, yeah, that's called bi. No. Actually, my identity, I turn from a man to a woman and back to a man. I'm a shapeshifter. I am gender fluid. And they're like, okay. It's getting long. We're just going to put you under the pluses. But then they go, hey, what about the Indians? They call it the Two Spirits. 2S will be the acronym. And then the guy's like, oh, now we're including numbers? This thing is starting to look like a algebra equation. LGBTQ plus 2S MAP. Two spirits and then minor attracted people. So, all right, everybody line up. We're going to have a pride parade. Aren't you proud of yourselves? You know, you made a big dumb list. But the Pope's behind it. You know, he's all for that. He's the woke Pope. Yeah, you know, why not? Why, if we would just quit paying attention to the Pope, you guys, he'd go away. You know, you don't have to pay him everything. He doesn't have to live in a palace. I don't understand. I think the assumption is that he's somehow better than you. Well, I know he's better than Michael. Everyone's better than me. Yeah, huh? But yeah, he's I think it goes God, Jesus, the Pope. And then you go down a ways, and there's like Joel Osteen. Yeah. And Michael Landon. I think that's pretty much the hierarchy. Yep, that's it. Sunny day. La-di-da-di. Hey, okay. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You got a phone call. Oh, really? Huh, I wonder who that could be. I'm line 2. Line 2, eh? All right. Let's see. Line 2. Where did I... Doggone it. I was sure. All right, we might just have to call him. Caller. Welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. You're on the air.
Hello, Nanaboozhoo. How are ya?
Hey, Dr. Fauci. Sweetie, it's Anthony Fauci.
Yes, it's Dr. Fauci. How are you, Nanaboozhoo?
Not too bad. I'm kind of crabby, I think.
Why you so crabby?
Pope gets under my skin. Monday. It's cold, it's gray out. How are you?
Well, I'm hanging in there. I got the COVID again.
Did you really?
Well, it was a breakthrough case. I couldn't believe it. I had taken 21 shots already, the Delta variant booster shot, and then I went and got a cocktail of experimental, I don't even know what it was, nanobots. And, I've got all this goo swimming around in my veins. I thought for sure I'd be safe from the dreaded COVID. But nope, got it anyway.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. How are you feeling?
Oh, I feel fine.
What do you mean? I think I had COVID.
Well, yeah, I was exposed, so I went and got tested, and they told me I have it. But naturally, I don't feel anything.
Oh. So you're just positive, but you don't have any symptoms?
I'm asymptomatic. That's what's so horrifying about this disease. It's so deadly. You can have it and not even know you have it.
Well, that doesn't sound like that big of a deal then.
No, it's terrifying. Have you gotten your shots?
No.
Go get your shots. You're going to kill us all.
No, I'm not.
What? How are you going to flatten the curve if you don't get the shots?
I don't know. You guys are on your own, I guess. I saw the Pope also came out, had to do a video telling us to get a vaccination.
Yes, the Pope is he's a very good servant of God.
You think the Pope's a servant of God?
He's doing God's work, telling the people to get the shot.
Yeah, right. I also saw him giving the satanic devil sign. I should have pulled that picture up. But yeah, no, I think he should pretty much shut up. Hey, and you know what else?
What's that, Nanaboozhoo?
Gish, go away. Stop making vocal sounds, Dr. Fauci.
What do you mean? I'm the country's beloved doctor.
No, you're not. I didn't vote you for whatever. You're not my doctor. I don't trust you. I don't know who you are. I thought poison sucked for the most part. Bret Michaels was way better off when he got rid of you. But just go away. Just shut up.
Hey, Bazan, be quiet.
Well, it is my show.
Nah, you shut up, man.
Listen, man, why don't you come here and talk to me like that in front of my face? I'll knock you out, you old fart.
You would dare threaten me? That's a hate speech. I'm going to tell the Pope, and the Pope's going to tell Facebook, and you're going to be taken down. You can't threaten the elderly.
Yeah. I wonder what I would do. You know, one time I saw, this was weird. I might have been drunk. I went to an Aerosmith concert once. Yeah. And I saw, what was his name? Lead singer? Steven Tyler? Yeah, Steven Tyler. My brother and I waited out after the show back by the, like where the semis and the limos and stuff were. We were waiting for him to come out. And I'm up on this thing looking down into this sort of drive-in area of the auditorium. And I see him come out. And he goes, and I see him. I go, hey, Steven. And he looks up at me. And, I'm probably, I don't know, 20 feet away. And I thought to myself, hey, I could spit on him. And I almost spit on Steven Tyler. Why would you want to spit on Steven Tyler? I don't know. It was weird. I just felt compelled. But like if I saw you, Anthony Fauci, would I try to pick a fight? Probably not. That's not really my way.
If I saw you, I'd slap you around, you little smart mouth punk.
Okay, let's not get into it. Just gish go away and just shut up. And, Mahjong. Leave.
All right. Hey, what's the Ojibwe word for Monday?
Oh, you want to know Monday?
Yeah, that's why I called in.
Okay. Ishwa, anama e gives you good.
Ishwa, anama e gives you good.
Yeah.
Day after prayer day.
Yep. Or Monday. Yesterday was prayer day.
Yes, that's why I gathered. So what do you call Tuesday? Ishwa, anama e gives you good.
Tuesday is just, Nijo, second day. Gives you good.
Oh.
Yeah, that would be funny, though, if we called it the day after prayer day. Let's keep doing that all week. But anyway, so, anything else I can do for you? Yeah, you weirdo?
Quit calling me a weirdo. I'm America's doctor.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna get back to the show.
All right. How do you say goodbye?
Well, we say, I will see you again.
Okay. How do you say I will see you again?
Gigawaba min. Minowa.
Gigawaba min. Minowa.
Okay. Yeah. That's a weirdo. I thought I was wondering if we were going to get a call from somebody else. Yeah, me too. But I think I forgot. Could you do me a favor? Sure. Would you mind calling up the Pope? I want to talk to him on the phone. Yeah, okay. Let's see. What do I do? Google Pope. What's his name? Francis. Okay, Pope Francis. Phone number. And, with the Vatican? Probably. Either Vatican or, I don't know. Vatican City gay bathhouse? No. Okay, here it is. Pope Francis, it's ringing. Hello? Hi. This is Natasha from the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. Yeah, the one about Ojibwe language. I was wondering, can we speak to the Pope Francis, please? Okay. I'm on hold. She's on hold at the Pope. What is it, the Vatican? Yep. Hi, is this Pope Francis? Frank? Okay. Hey, Frank, would you like to be on the show today? The Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. Yeah, it's a live stream YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to transfer you. You're going to talk to Nanaboozhoo. He's the host. Okay, hang on. All right, sweetie. Line 2. All right, line 2. Pope Francis, how are you?
Yeah, you can call me Frank.
Frank?
Yeah, just call me, frankly, you can call me Frank. Yeah, because my name is Francis.
Yeah.
You know, you either call me Frank or you can call me Your Holiness or my father.
I'm not calling you my father. Doesn't the Bible, in fact, tell us not to call anybody father?
I don't know, I've never read it.
Oh. So, thanks for taking our call. Welcome to the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast.
The what now?
Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. It's a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
Oh, you guys aren't saying anything in the conspiracy series, are you?
Yeah, what's your problem with conspiracy theory? That's why I wanted to call you. I heard that you came out and was sort of encouraging people to crack down on what I would say is this free speech, but you say conspiracy theories and hate speech. Do you want to explain yourself a little bit?
It's dangerous, man. If people start thinking about conspiracy, that's hate. That's hate, man. Sometimes people say that the worst things about Catholic priests. It's a conspiracy and it's hateful. And we gotta crack down on it, man.
Listen, Pope Francis.
Call me Frank.
Okay, Frank. That's just an opinion, man. I mean, number one, how would you decide what is a quote-unquote... Can you define hate speech?
Hate speech is speech that incites people to violence.
Speech that incites violence. So, okay, and what's violence?
Something that makes you feel bad.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, man. If you say something insulting, that's hateful and that's violence because it hurts your feelings. You know, it makes your heart sad.
Okay, but that's not really violence, and it's not the responsibility of the rest of the world to somehow police and spare the feelings of people who hear stuff. What happened to sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me?
Yeah, we don't believe in that anymore. I had a revelation from God, and it said that, you should get mad if somebody says something you don't like. And then you should tell on them, and then maybe, I don't know, you could, get your channel taken down.
Yeah, see, I don't think you should be doing that. You know, sometimes we talk about what people call conspiracies. You know, the globe theory, whatever. Flat Earth.
Flat Earth? That's a conspiracy theory. The world isn't flat. Read your Bible.
I do. Bible says it's fixed and immovable.
No, it doesn't. It says it's round.
You think the Bible says the earth is round?
It did. It says it's round and it's a footstool.
Well, it can be round like a pizza and still be flat. It's just not a spinning globe, The Bible doesn't talk about... Well, what am I talking to you about this? You don't read the Bible.
No, I never read it. I don't know. I like comic books.
You like comic books?
Yeah, I like Archie comics.
All right. Listen, Frank, I'm going to let you go.
Come on, who's talking?
No, you're getting out of hand. But maybe we'll talk to you again.
Hey. How do you say goodbye in your language?
We don't say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigo Abamin. Minawa.
I can't say that.
Just try it. Gigo Abamin. Minawa.
Gigo Abamin. Minawa.
Yeah, okay. Gigo Abamin. Minawa. Pope Francis. The longer I talked to him, the more he sounded like the Tasmanian devil.
Yeah, that's who it was.
Pope Francis, ladies and gentlemen. That's kind of cool. Getting celebrities on the show. And, I don't know, sweetie. What do you think? Did you want to get up here? Yeah, sure. All right. I'm going to let Natasha get up here and say hello. We'll get a woman's perspective on all this craziness. Before that, though, if you'd like to support the show, we have a Patreon page. People sign up, send us money you can just put in your cash card number. And then from our end, we can take out as much as we want. And we promise we won't take out more than $10-20 a month. Unless we really need it. Just give us your cash card number. Sweetie, don't say that. Okay. We also have a PayPal. Just if you'd like to give us a tip, buy us a cup of coffee. Buy us breakfast at Country Kitchen. They're open again. Yeah, I saw that. Or we can go to GoFundMe. We're raising some money. We're going to get another camera. Going to get a scanner. Missy's going to get us a deal on what's that called? A second monitor. Yeah, but it's also like a smart TV or whatever. And or if you'd like to order books by Michael Lyons, you can go to Amazon.com and order books like Dog and Mangan, Counting to 10 in Ojibwe Moen. Counting 10, Ojibwe Moen. All right, and here's a song by Michael Lyons. And this is called Nothing to Do with You or Wake and Bake. I'm not sure. I will see you again. Gee-ga-wub-a-min. Sweetie, when to teleport? Energize. How come there's no sound? But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Now so it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. And sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Well, sometimes and someday, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and bake. Oh, baby.
All right.
Do, do, do. Anywho, hi everyone. Boozhoo. Natasha Nandishan Nakaz. Neiman Wyndham. G-A-A-N. Omanungum. Hello. Natasha is my name. I'm happy to be here today. Are you going to let me on tonight? Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's see what's going on down here. Hey, Resmate T! How's it going? Uh-oh. Doc is here. Uh-oh, we were just making fun of the Pope really hard. Sorry, Doc. We're going to be in trouble with our Catholic friend. Brandy Marie! Boozhoo, Brandy! And Daniel Black. Frank sounds like a stoner. He did. I thought he might be drunk, too. I think it's okay to drink and smoke when you're a pope. That's kind of one of the unwritten rules. It's not really a sin to drink and smoke. So he could have been a little buzzed. I don't know. I would hate to assume that might be hate speech. Sagame, safe mail address. La 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 la. I'm hunting for the wife's bank card. Yeah, okay. Give me a wife's bank card. You can trust us. Well, sure. That's the biggest scam. Get your money. La 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 la. Okay, Resmate's cracking up. I guess Resmate could take a joke. Ooh, I feel my temperature rising. Yeah, 'cause I feel about her. Looks like another beautiful day outside. La 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 la. Burning love. It's just a hunk of burning love. It's just a hunk of burning love. I don't know, I got Elvis on my mind. Got my mind on Elvis and Elvis on my mind. So how you guys doing? Today, I would like to talk just a little bit about the firmament. One more time. Why are you bringing this up? Because if the Pope has his way, he's gonna... This is a pretty big conspiracy theory. This is calling all of science liars. This is claiming one absolute religious truth and the other religion's false. This stuff has been censored. Flat Earth people know that it's been censored because remember the golden days 5 years ago when your Facebook was filled with stuff like this. But yesterday we were talking about, the first day God, what was it? I should pull that up too. So the second day, God separated the waters above from the waters below. He made light and dark, still hasn't made a sun yet. So then, separated waters above from waters below. Did he create the waters at the same time he separated it? That's a good point. You get the impression that the waters have just always been there, but I don't know. Yeah, anyway. So it's water, and then he separates waters above from waters below. And so it looks like the firmament. Firmament means glass-like dome. It was the biblical word, firmament. Now, new translations will try to call it the expanse of the sky, or outer space, or, the hemisphere, or something stupid. Because we're all under a spell going, what? Okay. But then you go, okay, what does the Bible actually suggest? And God made the firmament and divided waters which were under the firmament from waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. Genesis. That's the 7th line. It's just right away. Hast thou him spread out the sky, which is strong, and as a molten looking glass? The sky is strong and like a looking glass. And here in Revelation it says, and the stars of heaven fell unto the earth, even as a fig tree casteth her untimely figs, when she is shaken of a mighty wind. Revelations. So the stars are going to fall to the earth. But I thought they were trillions of miles away. Big old suns long ways away. He set the earth on its foundations, so that it should never be moved. Psalms. The earth on its foundations. But I thought it was a spinning ball. How could the Bible be so wrong? And if they're wrong about this, then why should we believe the story of Jesus? Why should we believe the story of Noah? If they're wrong about on the first page, the Bible gets it wrong, well, that's why it's a conspiracy theory. Somebody did this on purpose. Faked. Science. Ooh, yeah, we proved that's not what the Bible said. Well, now I think, nope, I think it's exactly like the Bible said. What, it can't be magical? It's God. Yes, in one day. Quit trying to think, oh no, that would be impossible. Science proved that it takes millions and millions of years to populate the sky and the waters. What are you talking about? You can't make one fish out of scratch. Shut up. Yes, God can populate the waters of the earth in 24 hours. Why is that a conspiracy theory? Why, sweetie? I don't know. You tell me, Brandy Marie. Think you got all the answers? Well, everybody. I don't know, sweetie. Should I go outside? You want to go outside, say a little prayer? Yeah. Take all the stuff outside. Go put all this tobacco in a great spirit. Ask for the forgiveness from the Pope. You're going to ask the Pope to forgive your sins. Can he forgive sins? I don't even know. Probably. Well, it kind of goes along with that confession. Got some other guy. You are forgiven, my child. Some kids younger than you. Forgive me, Father. Forgive me, 29-year-old pastor or priest or whatever you are. Forgive me, virgin. I have sinned. And he's like, you are forgiven, my child. I'm like, do you know how old I am? I could be your mother. Anyway, yeah, would you just teleport me outside? All right, hang on. I'm going to scan for your coordinates. And oh, wait. Crap. What is it? It's okay. I'm just going to move you down here in the computer thing. If I screw this up, I might just teleport, your top half and then, forget the bottom half or something. Yeah, don't do that. All right. And let's see. Okay, I think this will work. All right, hang on. 1 to teleport. I'm a little nervous. I'll be okay. Say it. Oh, yeah. Energize! Hello? Hi, sweetie. It's Natasha. Oh, good. You made it then? Yeah. Just barely. Oh, good. I was so nervous. I thought maybe I would, kill you. Well, I'm glad you didn't. Yep, you're fine. All right. Well, give me a call when you want me to pick you up. I will. All right. Roger that. Over and out. Over and out. Bloop. Okay. Oh, such a pretty day. A little cold out here. Well, let me get some tobacco. In the Anishinaabe way. And you know what? Just for the record, you don't have to pull out tobacco. All this stuff is just ceremony. It's just like the Pope wearing his robes and his big old hat. Oh, look at my cane. Look at my big old cane. Or staff or whatever. You got a crucifix. Any vampires come in here, I'll be ready. It's just whatever. It's all about getting into your right mindset. So for some of us, having a little pinch of tobacco and speaking in Ojibwe sort of tunes us into the frequency to speak to the Creator. So I like to say, Gitchi Manadu, Great Spirit. Taka otapanan niwi asema. Please accept my tobacco. Gitchi Manadu. Miigwech. Kaiji kakinakeku. Kaiji chikea nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Everything. Even the storms that are wiping out the East Coast or whatever. Thank you for that. It's not happening here. No. Please protect our friends out east. Has anybody heard from Jessica Waboos? I haven't watched the weather very close, but I think the storms are raging out there. They might be out of power or something. I don't even know. Anyway, please protect all the people who are suffering from your great wrath by way of weather. We took a wishin' menaway nungum. Help me to speak well today. I hope that could be funny and maybe entertaining or something. Miigwech. Wow, bamadiziyan. Thank you for my life. Abenge. Amen. Right to the Gitchi Manadu himself.
Thank you, me daughter.
Well, hi, Gitchi Manadu. Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Spirit.
Hello, Boozhoo crew. How are ye?
Hey, can I ask you a question?
Well, you can ask me anything, me daughter. I am your creator and your father who art in heaven.
Yeah, huh? What's up with the Pope? Is he like your favorite?
Who is the Pope now?
It's like Pope Francis.
Pope Francis. I haven't watched TV much. I'm not sure. I mean, I know who he is for sure because I'm the creator. I know everybody. But no. I mean, you're all my favorite. You're all me children, and I think of you all as me children.
Oh, okay. So what's up? Why does the Pope have like all those robes and stuff?
Oh, because he's a fancy boy.
A fancy boy?
Yes, he likes to dress up like a wizard and carry on like that. He lives in a palace.
Yeah, I know, like the Vatican.
Yeah, it's pretty funny when you think about it.
Yeah. So do you think I should, go up and kiss his ring or anything?
Oh, no, me daughter. You want to talk to me, you pray to me. I'll listen to your prayers. Don't you worry about all that, Pope nonsense.
Okay. All right. Well, I better get back. Okay, me daughter, you pray to me anytime you want to talk. I'll be here to listen. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Spirit. I will see you again, me daughter. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Get your mother do. All right. Well, there you go. Bloop. Okay, Boozhoo. Hi, sweetie. Hi, honey. Do you want me to pick you up? Yeah, would you mind? Yeah, no problem. Let me just scan for your coordinates. All right. I think I got you. Don't move. Lock it in on your coordinates. 1 to teleport. Energize! Hey, welcome back. Hi. Did you put out some tobacco? Yep. Did you say a little prayer to the Great Spirit? I did. Did he answer your prayer? Yeah, actually, he spoke right to me. Every time. No, not every time, but, a lot. Yeah, he never talks to me when I pray. Well, I don't know what you did, but he talks to me. Well, that's good. Well, you wanna call it a show? We could. Yeah, unless you have anything you want to add. Oh, that's pretty good. Would you like to apologize to Catholics everywhere? Absolutely not. Okay. Well, everybody, miigwech bizundawieg. Thank you for listening to our goofy little show. Thank you so much for watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, over here, the star of the show, Nanaboozhoo. Say goodbye, sweetie. Okay, Gigawabamin, Minawa, everyone. Thank you so much for watching the show. Yeah. And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Lyons. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. And who knows what time we'll come on. You probably ate. I don't know. But miigwech bizundawieg. Thank you for listening. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Oh, sweetie. Teleporting. Energize.